Discover the magic of Italy, a country brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice and the culinary delights of Tuscany, Italy is a traveler's dream. Join us as we explore the top attractions that make Italy a must-visit destination. Get ready to embark on a journey through this stunning Mediterranean gem. Our adventure begins in Rome, the Eternal City. Walking through its streets feels like stepping back in time. The Colosseum, an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome, stands as a testament to the city's glorious past. Nearby, the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill offer a glimpse into the heart of ancient Rome. As you wander through these ruins, it's easy to imagine the grandeur of the Roman Empire. But Rome isn't just about ancient history. The city buzzes with modern life and culture, blending the old with the new in a uniquely captivating way. Next, we head to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Florence is an art lover's paradise, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. The Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia Gallery are must-visits for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in Renaissance art. The city's stunning architecture, exemplified by the Florence Cathedral and its magnificent dome, is a marvel in itself. Strolling along the Arno River and crossing the historic Ponte Vecchio, you'll feel the vibrant pulse of Florentine life. Our journey continues to Venice, the city of canals. Venice is like no other place on Earth, with its network of waterways and stunning architecture. The Grand Canal, the main artery of the city, is lined with palaces and bridges, each with its own story. A gondola ride through the labyrinthine canals is a quintessential Venetian experience. St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace are architectural masterpieces that showcase the city's rich history and artistic heritage. As you explore the narrow streets and hidden squares, you'll find that every corner of Venice has its own charm. Heading south, we arrive in the Amalfi Coast, a stretch of coastline renowned for its dramatic cliffs and picturesque villages. The towns of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello offer stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. The coastal drive along the winding roads is an adventure in itself, with breathtaking vistas at every turn. The region is also known for its delicious cuisine, featuring fresh seafood and locally grown produce. Whether you're relaxing on a sun-soaked beach or exploring charming villages, the Amalfi Coast is pure bliss. Our next stop is Tuscany, a region synonymous with rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns. The city of Siena, with its well-preserved Gothic architecture and the famous Piazza del Campo, is a highlight. Wine enthusiasts will love exploring the Chianti region, where world-class wines are produced. The Tuscan countryside is perfect for leisurely drives and picnics among the vineyards. Each town and village in Tuscany has its own unique character, making it a delightful place to explore at a relaxed pace. We then journey to Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital. Milan is a vibrant metropolis where history meets modernity. The Milan Cathedral, or Duomo, is an architectural masterpiece that dominates the city's skyline. Art lovers should not miss The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, housed in the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls, offers a luxurious shopping experience. Milan's bustling energy and sophisticated style make it a must-visit for any traveler. Next, we visit the island of Sicily, rich in history and culture. Sicily boasts a diverse heritage, influenced by Greek, Roman, and Norman civilizations. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento is one of the most significant archaeological sites in the world. Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano, offers thrilling excursions and stunning views. The cities of Palermo and Catania are vibrant cultural hubs with bustling markets, beautiful architecture, and delicious street food. Sicily's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a fascinating destination. Finally, we explore the serene lakes of northern Italy. Lake Como, with its elegant villas and stunning alpine scenery, is a favorite among celebrities and travelers alike. The charming town of Bellagio, known as the Pearl of the Lake, offers breathtaking views and a relaxing atmosphere. Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake, is surrounded by picturesque towns and offers a range of outdoor activities, from sailing to hiking. The tranquil beauty of these lakes provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Italy's top attractions. We hope you've been inspired to explore the wonders of this incredible country. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures from around the world. Buon viaggio!